What's going on, guys? So we are currently in the truck driving to go meet Mr. Rick the Elko on a job with some friends of ours that own Water's Edge. It's a dock and hoist company. So they are doing, basically we've got a local lake here that has this kind of mossy crap that grows at the bottom that occasionally big old chunks of it float up to the surface in the middle of the lake, and it's a hazard to the boaters. So these guys take their barge out, they go wrangle this thing, shove it over to the side, and then we load it out with an excavator into the trucks. And so we are helping Water's Edge today, as it's, let's be honest, it's a fun day. We're just going out here to horse around and get some good footage. But that being said, before I get to the job, I was greeted with a text message this morning, and I'm just gonna read you the text message because this is the sort of stuff that, you know, Rick claims that I am this princess all the time and I'm the girl in our relationship, and yet this is what I get this morning. So we're talking about what time we're coming out, and then I get, Garrick's birthday is tomorrow, can you stop and get him something at Joanna's? That's a local market here. I'll give you some money. So apparently I'm now birthday gift shopping for another man on behalf of Rick, because like a true man, Rick won't go buy his own gifts. He wants me to buy the gift and then he'll just give me some money for it, but he's gonna take full credit for giving the gift. Which, by the way, Rick is like the gayest straight man I've ever met, because this is Rick who's wanting to buy another man a birthday gift because it's his bestie, I guess. I don't really know what the relationship is here. It's making me a little nervous the further I'm kind of investigating this. So that's where we're going. We're going to the store to buy a birthday gift for another man, and then we're going to the lake. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit at the lake. Okay, it's delivery time. Look, we got the whole crew here too. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This is gonna be nice. Sorry I was late, guys. I had a special errand I was requested to run. If you wouldn't mind opening that girl up for us.
Who knows that it's my birthday tomorrow?
Happy birthday, Mr. Wilson. Tomorrow is your birthday.
If you wouldn't mind, just pop that open.
Open oh, yeah.
And you got to read the card out loud, please.
Yeah.
What's going on, man?
Where's the card?
Good to see you. It's been a while.
Hold on so you don't fall.
Look at them.
Friendship brightens every corner of the world. Your birthday is the perfect chance to thank you for being so wonderful and for wishing you all life's best today and always. Happy birthday. I'll be the big spoon tonight. Love, Rick.
Hopefully it's a
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I was hoping it's an Hitachi.
Yeah. I see that in your search.
You know what? I'm going to be honest with you. We're too cheap to buy you a Hitachi.
Basil Hayden, artfully aged by the James B. Beam Distilling Company.
You know why I got that one? Is because
today.
Rick constantly refers to you as being artfully aged.
Yes.
Thought it was fitting.
Yes. Thanks, guys.
You got it.
You're welcome.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
You're good now.
So what we're seeing before us is a live recording of the dock man. That is the dock man himself right there. But we're only seeing the backside of the dock man.
It's got a good backside.
It does have a nice backside.
They're brothers, so this is like the front side.
That's true. Like, who got the better genetics here?
Yeah. I feel like we should put a poll up.
All right, so Garrett, give us a quick rundown of what today is. What are we doing?
So we call them floating turds.
Yes.
We did this, I think, 2 or 3 years ago. There's these big land masses that float up from the bottom of the lake.
Okay.
And they cause a hazard for boaters and jet skiers and things. So we've got Labor Day coming up this weekend, which is going to be a big boating holiday, and they need it done. They need it out of the way, out of the lake before the big boating holiday. Why can't the turd just stay afloat? Because people will smash into it.
It'll break up over time.
Yeah. It will. Like a ski jump. It will. The last one we did, you could see marks on it where people have ridden their boats up on it.
Nice.
Only about that much of it sticks out of the water.
Oh.
So you're worried about rain making this thing sink, but a boat could float below and hit it and it'll stay afloat?
No, the wind blowing it, and I don't know if it collects enough. For whatever reason, they sink again. What do we got to do first? This is the
You had enough air and it submerges. like a submarine.
Well, if you get air in it.
It floats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lack of air.
There's a chance
Bring it
you
down.
might get in your birthday suit and dive in.
These are the sort of statements that prove Rick and I need to stay on the shore.
Oh no. We're getting in our bikinis here now.
So basically we're shoving the floating turd somewhere over there. The excavator is going to load it into the dump truck.
Yep.
That's where we're
You guys
at.
are going to show me how to run an excavator.
Okay.
Have you ever smelled one of these things?
Ooh.
I don't-
Rancid.
Like
They're
turd.
fucking
I'm
rancid.
not
Are they
in the
really?
turd huffing business at all.
A little bit.
Are you kidding? We run a septic
Yeah.
company.
That would make it smell good to you.
All we do is huff
Mrs.
turds.
Smith's honey pot.
You know, we could have brought the pump truck, but then there was no way to secure the turd.
That's true.
I mean, we could have put it in the dump trailer.
Would that thing suck up a turd?
It's got to be pretty watery. Yeah.
It'd been a
Or
fun time,
Johnson-
or we
Johnson's
blew up the
Vector
pump.
trucks.
Yeah.
All right, ready
Yeah.
to rip?
I think so.
We should call it Johnson and have him just come out here with a plunger.
That's
Where are you
true.
ready? Where are we bringing the turd to?
Short.
No, but after that.
Your house.
Yeah, we're dumping it with all the
Where we
seaweed.
put all the
Yeah.
shit down.
All right, we'll see you guys on the water.
Right now and then come back.
The great turd hunt.
Yeah, so quick update. We've been turd hunting for 10 minutes or so. So far, no turds. I don't know if it's good news or bad news, but it's so far a turd-free lake. Kind of disappointing, really.
No turds in paradise. That's
No turds in paradise.
that the bounty hunter guy. No ice in paradise. Oh, dog.
The hunt continues.
Tag. Will an air tag work
Hope
underwater?
is fading fast.
Probably.
We're now 20 minutes in. Still no sign of a turd.
Captain's turd log. Day one.
This used to be the big retention pond for how?
This?
Yeah.
The lake?
Yeah.
That is a big retention pond.
And hence the E. coli breakout all the time.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure it also has everything to do with all these houses having septics literally right on the water.
Not like it leaching in.
Yeah.
We were
it's
doing
fine.
a wall one time and we dug up a septic tank.
That was probably 6 inches from the bank.
Really?
Full-blown septic tank, and they had it. Their outlet was into the lake.
Nice.
We were on one of the rivers up north Cuban, and somebody had one of their septic tanks plumbed right to the river, dude. They took a flush, and here comes turd and toilet paper out.
Woo!
Oh man! There you were, just bathing in it.
Just a quick update for everyone. After using very sophisticated wind analysis, current analysis, along with Google Earth overhead views, some very professional level topographic data of the bottom of the lake, we still haven't found a turd. Turns out, no turd. You have anything to add?
The great turd hunt.
It continues.
It's over.
Yeah, it's
Did it?
quickly drawing to a close. We did pick up a couple new passengers though. You guys want to say hi? Hi. We'll see what happens.